All right, hi. Craig Bouma, Physics, Loyola High School. This is Physics for Freshmen. Our first challenge of the year was our Freaky Physics Funhouse. And I just wanted to get this on film to share with my department members and anyone else who might want to try this challenge. It ended up going pretty well. So first off, we created a rubric of what we wanted to do. Our Freaky Physics Funhouse here, and we had a design plan. The kids had to use physics terminology, writing, math, illustrations, diagrams, and it had to be high quality, creative, and entertaining. And this is their presentation portion of it, in which they were asked to, just using all the same dimensions, a 10 by 7 meter space, they had to create a haunted house using all the physics principles that we studied in this chapter. So you can see these students use 5 or 6 major physics concepts. They describe the first path through there, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth path. And then on the sides of the display board, they have all the physics, the engineering for how they would create this freaky fun house. And that's the stuff I'm really looking for. So everyone was given a everyone was given a trifold presentation board. I purchased it, and I gave them all the engineering paper, and then they worked on this for 3 days. The last thing I had them do was hold a flip camera, and they were given 2 minutes to describe within their group, filming themselves and everything here. They were able to describe their project so that I had every other student evaluate the other students. So for example, on the last day, we rotated all students through the lab, and they got to hit play, and they get to listen to that group's presentation of their board. There it is. So for 2 minutes, every student got to really present on camera, like I'm doing right now, and describe why they're so good and what the physics principles are. And I'll show you one more just for fun. This one was called Aqua Illusion. A lot of students really liked this. They went for an aquatic theme with sharks and stuff, and they used refraction of light and lenses and shadows and color mixing. So they had a real good time. This group worked very hard. But last thing, I had them grade themselves on the rubric. So you can't see it on this one here, but they were asked. I asked them to mark the areas where they thought they did well. And then as they went around, each group told them things they liked about their project and one area they could work on their next project. So they got feedback from all the students. Freaky Funhouse, I think I'll use it next year, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Thanks.